Now this is an hour following an L5 stroke S1 lumbar decompression, discectomy. You had the pain for how long? A number of years?
Well, I've had it for 8 years on and off. And I've been in severe pain for the last 4 months. Nightmare, absolutely terrible.
And how are you feeling now?
Well, I tell you, it's a miracle. I can't believe I've woken up and I have no pain anywhere. It's the first time.
Nothing in the back?
No, nothing in the back.
Nothing in the leg?
I can't believe it. I feel completely normal.
Right, let's see.
Other than a bit of anaesthetic, but
yeah.
I mean, it's amazing.
Let's see you walking. Yeah, good.
Look at that. I mean, that's amazing. I am completely pain-free. I'd forgotten what it was like to be able to walk normally.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, you'd never know I'd had an operation just an hour ago. I mean, I'm blown away.
Good stuff.